Did you know that what you drink can significantly affect the health and functioning of your kidneys? Today, we're uncovering the top 5 drinks that not only taste great, but are also your kidneys' best friends. Imagine a super filter for your body that tirelessly works 24/7, cleaning your blood and removing toxins. That's exactly what your kidneys do. But what if I told you that you could boost their health and efficiency just by drinking certain beverages? Our kidneys are unsung heroes playing a vital role in our body's daily functions. They regulate fluid levels, filter out toxins, and help manage blood pressure. Yet, we often take them for granted until issues arise. Keeping our kidneys healthy is crucial for maintaining our body's balance and well-being. Fortunately, supporting your kidney health can be as delicious as it is easy. Certain drinks not only hydrate, but also provide a nutritional boost to these vital organs, helping them function optimally. Today, we're diving into 5 incredible drinks, some you're familiar with and others that might surprise you. These beverages are not just beneficial for your kidneys, but are also delicious and easily accessible. From the refreshing simplicity of water to the unexpected benefits of certain fruit and herbal teas, we'll explore how these drinks contribute to kidney health. Whether you're looking to maintain your kidney health proactively or seeking tasty, health-conscious beverage options, you're in the right place. So, grab your favorite glass and let's get ready to discover the top drinks for keeping your kidneys happy and healthy. Let's start with the most essential beverage of all, water. It's the simplest yet most powerful drink you can give your body, especially your kidneys. Water plays a fundamental role in almost every bodily function, and when it comes to your kidneys, it's absolutely irreplaceable. Water is crucial for your kidneys as it aids in the filtration process. Your kidneys process around 200 quarts of blood daily, sifting out about 2 quarts of waste products and extra water. Water helps dissolve these wastes, allowing your kidneys to filter them out of your blood and excrete them through urine efficiently. Moreover, water is vital in maintaining your body's fluid balance. Your kidneys regulate your body's water levels, ensuring that this balance is just right. Without enough water, your kidneys have to work harder to concentrate urine, which can lead to dehydration and over time increase the risk of kidney stones and other kidney-related issues. Begin each day with a glass of water. It's a simple habit that kickstarts your hydration and gets your metabolism moving. Keep a water bottle handy at all times, on your desk, in your bag, or in your car. Seeing it will remind you to take sips throughout the day. If you find plain water monotonous, infuse it with slices of fruits, cucumbers, or herbs like mint. It's a refreshing way to make your water intake more enjoyable. Use your phone or a smartwatch to set reminders to drink water. Drinking small amounts at regular intervals can help you reach your daily water intake goal without feeling overwhelmed. Pay attention to your body's thirst signals and respond promptly. Thirst is an early indicator of dehydration, so don't wait until you're feeling parched. Incorporate fruits and vegetables with high water content into your diet. Foods like cucumbers, tomatoes, oranges, and watermelons can contribute to your overall fluid intake. Remember, staying adequately hydrated is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to keep your kidneys functioning properly. While individual hydration needs can vary, aiming for about 8 glasses of water a day is a good rule of thumb for most people. Always consider your activity level, climate, and overall health when determining how much water you should drink each day. Next on our list is a beverage often praised for its tangy flavor and health benefits, cranberry juice. Not just a holiday favorite, cranberry juice packs a punch when it comes to preventing UTIs and supporting your kidneys. Cranberries contain active compounds known as proanthocyanidins, PACs, which have a unique ability. They prevent bacteria, especially E. coli, from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract. This is crucial because it's this bacterial adhesion that leads to infections. Regular consumption of cranberry juice has been shown to significantly reduce the frequency of UTIs, especially in women who are prone to recurrent infections. This not only spares you the discomfort, but also reduces the need for antibiotics, which can be beneficial in preventing antibiotic resistance. Cranberry juice's benefits extend beyond just UTI prevention. By reducing the risk of infections, it indirectly supports kidney health. UTIs, if left untreated, can escalate to kidney infections, which can be severe and lead to lasting kidney damage. Moreover, the antioxidants in cranberries help fight oxidative stress, further supporting kidney function. The key to reaping these benefits, however, lies in choosing the right type of cranberry juice. Here's where you need to pay close attention. Many cranberry juices on the market are loaded with added sugars or are actually cranberry juice cocktails, which dilute the beneficial packs with other juices and sweeteners. These added sugars can negate the health benefits and potentially lead to weight gain and other health issues. Always read the label to ensure you're getting pure cranberry juice. It might be more tart in taste, but it's this type of juice that contains the beneficial compounds you're after. Due to its tartness, drinking pure cranberry juice can be challenging for some. Consider diluting it with water or blending it into a smoothie with other kidney-friendly fruits like blueberries for an antioxidant-rich drink. Integrating cranberry juice into your daily routine can be a delicious way to boost your urinary tract and kidney health. Just remember to choose the unsweetened variety to maximize benefits without the added drawbacks of sugar. Whether you enjoy it as part of your breakfast or as a refreshing afternoon drink, your kidneys will thank you for the extra care. Moving on to a zesty duo that does wonders for your kidneys, lemon and lime. These citrus fruits are not just for garnishing your drinks, they're potent allies in the fight against kidney stones. Lemon and lime juices are high in natural citrate, a compound that plays a crucial role in preventing the formation of kidney stones. Citrate works by binding to calcium in the urine, significantly reducing the risk of calcium stone formation. It's a natural way to prevent kidney stones that many doctors recommend. Beyond preventing kidney stones, the high citrate content in these citrus fruits also helps in maintaining a healthier urinary tract by increasing urine volume and pH, making the environment less favorable for kidney stone formation. Now let's put these benefits into a delicious drink that you can enjoy daily. Here's a simple recipe for a refreshing lemon-lime drink that's not only kidney-friendly, but also incredibly easy to make. Ingredients: 1 large lemon, 1 large lime, 1 liter of water, still or sparkling based on preference. Fresh mint leaves, optional for added flavor. Ice cubes, optional. A teaspoon of honey or to taste, optional for those who prefer a slightly sweeter drink. Start by thoroughly washing the lemon and lime. Then slice them into thin rounds. In a large pitcher, combine the sliced lemon and lime with a liter of water. If you're using still water, you might opt for a slightly warmer temperature to help release more of the citrus oils and flavors. Add fresh mint leaves to the pitcher for an extra layer of freshness. Let the mixture infuse for at least an hour in the refrigerator. The longer it infuses, the more pronounced the flavors. Pour the drink into glasses over ice cubes for a refreshing chill. If you've opted for sparkling water, serve immediately after adding the citrus slices to enjoy the fizz. For those who prefer a slightly sweeter taste, stir in a teaspoon of honey before serving. Remember, the goal is to keep it healthy, so use any sweetener sparingly. Incorporating lemon and lime-based drinks into your daily routine is a delicious and natural way to boost your kidney health and prevent the formation of kidney stones. Simple, refreshing, and beneficial, this drink is a testament to how easy it can be to support your kidneys with the right choices. So give it a try and make your hydration routine a cornerstone of your kidney health strategy. As we explore further into our list of kidney-friendly drinks, we can't overlook green tea, a beverage revered not just for its soothing qualities but also for its profound health benefits, particularly for our kidneys. Green tea is packed with powerful antioxidants known as catechins. These natural compounds are incredibly beneficial in fighting off oxidative stress and reducing inflammation throughout the body. For the kidneys, this means better protection against damage and improved function. Catechins like EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, are especially notable for their ability to enhance kidney health. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in green tea can help improve kidney function and may protect against the progression of various kidney diseases. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, these antioxidants support the kidneys in their essential role of filtering waste from the blood. Starting your day with a cup of green tea can provide a gentle caffeine boost, offering a more sustained form of energy without the jitters associated with coffee. Plus, It kickstarts your metabolism, aiding in digestion and toxin removal. Drinking green tea about 30 minutes before or after meals can aid in digestion and nutrient absorption. However, it's best to avoid green tea with meals that are high in iron, as the tannins in the tea can inhibit iron absorption. A mid-afternoon cup can help overcome the post-lunch slump, enhancing alertness and concentration as you go about your day. It's also a great way to ensure you're staying hydrated. Beyond kidney health, green tea offers a myriad of other health benefits. It's associated with a lower risk of heart disease, improved brain function, and even a reduced risk of certain cancers. Its metabolic boosting properties also make it a popular choice for those looking to manage their weight. With its combination of health-boosting catechins and versatile enjoyment times, green tea is a fantastic addition to anyone's diet for kidney health and overall well-being. Remember though, moderation is key. As with any caffeinated drink, it's wise to limit your intake to avoid any potential side effects. So, brew yourself a comforting cup and toast to your kidney health. Rounding off our list of kidney-friendly drinks, let's talk about a powerhouse beverage that's gained popularity for its health benefits: beet juice. Known for its vibrant color and earthy taste, beet juice offers more than just visual appeal. It's a boon for enhancing kidney function. Beets are naturally high in nitrates, compounds that your body converts into nitric oxide. This molecule is a crucial player in maintaining vascular health, as it helps to relax and dilate blood vessels. What does this mean for your kidneys? Improved blood flow. Enhanced circulation ensures that your kidneys receive ample oxygen and nutrients, supporting their filtering function and overall health. The increased blood flow to the kidneys, facilitated by nitric oxide, not only aids in efficient filtration, but also helps in lowering blood pressure, a common factor affecting kidney health. By supporting healthy blood pressure levels, beet juice indirectly protects the kidneys from the strain and damage high blood pressure can cause. While beet juice is beneficial, it's also high in oxalates, natural compounds that can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. This is an important consideration for those with a history of oxalate kidney stones. If you're prone to oxalate kidney stones, you might want to moderate your intake of beet juice or discuss it with your healthcare provider. It's all about finding the right balance that works for your body and specific health needs. Incorporating foods low in oxalates and maintaining adequate hydration can help mitigate the risk of kidney stones for those who wish to enjoy beet juice. Always ensure you're balancing your diet to support kidney health across the board. Beet juice is a potent drink with significant benefits for enhancing kidney function and supporting overall vascular health thanks to its nitrate content. However, its high oxalate content warrants caution for individuals at risk of certain types of kidney stones. Moderation and consultation with a healthcare professional can help you enjoy the benefits of beet juice while managing any potential risks. As with any dietary change, it's about listening to your body and making informed choices. Today we've explored 5 incredible drinks that not only refresh and delight, but also offer significant benefits for your kidneys and overall health. Let's quickly recap. Water is the cornerstone of kidney health, aiding in the filtration process and maintaining fluid balance. Remember, staying adequately hydrated is essential for supporting your kidneys' function. Cranberry juice, particularly the pure, unsweetened kind, helps prevent urinary tract infections by preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract, indirectly supporting kidney health. Lemon and lime-based drinks boost your body's citrate levels, which can prevent the formation of kidney stones and enhance overall urinary tract health. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, especially catechins, which protect against oxidative stress and improve kidney function, while offering a myriad of other health benefits. Beet juice increases blood flow to the kidneys through its high nitrate content, which is converted into nitric oxide, improving kidney function. However, it's important to consume it in moderation if you're prone to oxalate kidney stones. Incorporating these kidney-friendly drinks into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your kidney health and enhance your overall wellness. Each offers unique benefits, so consider adding them to your routine in a way that works best for you. Now, I invite you to join our community by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more health-related content. Your engagement helps us grow and continue to bring you valuable information. Have you tried any of these drinks for your kidney health, or do you have any other kidney-friendly drinks to recommend? Share your experiences and suggestions in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning together about more ways to support our health. Thank you for watching, and remember, your health is in your hands, and with simple changes to your diet and hydration habits, you can make a significant impact on your kidney health and overall well-being. Cheers to your health. As we wrap up today's journey through the best drinks for kidney health, I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you for tuning in. Your interest and engagement make all of this possible, and it's a privilege to share this journey toward better health together. Remember, hydration plays a key role in not just kidney health, but in our overall well-being. So keep that water bottle close, explore the delicious and healthful drinks we've discussed, and listen to your body. It knows what you need. Before we say goodbye, I'm excited to give you a little sneak peek into our next video. We'll be diving into superfoods for super health, unlocking nature's hidden treasures. You won't want to miss out on these incredible foods that can transform your health in ways you might not expect.